The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our planet is coming to an end. NASA has discovered that the large planet named Neptune is heading on collision course with the Earth within the next hour. There is no way to stop Neptune from colliding with the Earth, and is too large and too close to the Earth. Once Neptune hits the Earth, the planet will be shattered from the force of the impact, and will kill all life on Earth. There is no way to escape from this cataclysm event. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into panic mode. Gather your friends, pets, children, kids, and eject and prepare for your death. The national anthem will play for the final time. God bless America.
For stripes and